Good morning. Our sunrise in California just came up about 5 minutes ago. I'm going to get out here and show you the golden sun. And now it's hard to see with that tree bush there. All right, let's see how the garden's doing. Okay, so some of these looked good and some got a little heat damage. This one's, the potato's still looking a little, I don't know, stressed. Oh, that's looking pretty good. There we go. Nice. All right, we're gonna try something a little different today. We're gonna
that
do
you
mountain
choose, or
climbers
how many
with
in
the
each
chair.
set. Now we're doing squats by tapping the chair, and that's a modified squat. And yeah, so those mountain climbers, that was a little different, right? And then I turned around and did chair taps, get the blood flowing. That helps a little bit with the quads. And yeah, with all the blood flow, the oxygen is going to help with our epinephrine, give us that energy and feel good hormones in the morning.
I'm freezing outside, I feel my skin tight, my coat is inside, but I look up at you, I tracked your plane ride for when you're in tonight. Tell me, when is the next time I run to you? It sounds insane, right? I'll take the same flight, wait at your bedside, I land right next to you. I'm going stateside, where I'll see you tonight. Tell me, how did a girl like me get into you? Yeah. You can be my American, you can be my American, Is it right? I don't know. Yeah, you're taking my control. Never been abroad before. Now I'm knocking through your door, but you're nice, so I'll stay. Never met a British girl, you say. No one treats me this way. Are all boys out here the same? What can I say? What can I do? I'm trying to be the girl that you're talking to. And maybe you could be my American, boy. You could be my American, boy. What can you say that you wanted to? I'm flying intercontinental with you. Maybe you could be my American, boy. You could be my American,
Okay.